everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Anything what are you looking forward in your upcoming projects? Anything, any special dream project?
I don't think so. I've never thought of any project in particular. I've always believed that whatever comes my way really has to excite me. And by exciting me doesn't mean that it really has to be something out of the box. It just means that it has something for me to do. And ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि after the project लोग ये नहीं कहें कि इसमें इसका कोई काम ही नहीं था. So I should have some say in the story, some power. It was a big, good learning curve because it was my first ever daily soap.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was out.
Arjun.
See, Arjun will always be very close to my heart. It's always going to be very, very special to me. It was my first ever show, and usually guys in the television industry in India do not get a show like that.
Very
Plus, a show on your name, it's very, very difficult. So, plus a producer like Four Lions, I think anything that a person or a man could dream of was there.
Okay, Shivangi wants to know what's your future plan?
I don't know.
इतने जल्दी तो
हाँ मतलब अभी पता नहीं मेरे को कल क्या होने वाला है.
Okay. Avantika wants to know that during Arjun, any special moment that you can share with your fans?
I think the first ever shot of Arjun was very, very special to me because not many know, or rather many know, that I was about to go back to Delhi. I packed my bags and I thought that is it. I've given 2.5 years to the industry and it's not happening. Nothing is coming my way. I'd rather go back home and do whatever I'm known for in marketing or something. So I had packed my bags and given myself 1 month that it's going to be my last birthday in Bombay. And if something comes my way, something comes my way, otherwise I'm back. And I got Arjun in March. And the first shot of Arjun was taken on my birthday. That was 25th of May, when I thought that I'd leave the city. So that was very special to me.
Oh, so sweet. Okay, so Tushi is saying that you could have come with your wife also today for the live. So she's requesting anytime, next time when you do it, please come with your wife.
Two things. First, she's extremely camera shy. Second, these guys didn't invite her.
We'll invite her. We were not aware about it. We'll definitely invite her next time. Okay, Anushka wants to know, would you love to be part of Arjun 2 if it happens in future?
I think I'm really waiting for it to happen, to be honest. All the people who've commented on one post that I recently put on Insta, and it's overwhelming. Yeah, it's been years since the season 1 ended, but we've never fallen short of people commenting and wanting the show back. And how much me and Gorky sir, the producer of the show and the creator of the show, whenever we still meet, we still talk about it that there should be a second season because it was one of a kind. It's not because I was a part of the show, but it was one of a kind. It was not a very common daily show or a crime show that you see on screen these days. It was very different, and that is why I think people still have that recall value for the show.
True. Okay, John T wants to know, how much do you miss Yuvishka?
Oh, a lot, yeah. To be honest, working with Avika is a pleasure on screen. She's an outstanding actor. The best co-star that you could have asked for because she's equally passionate about acting and she works hard on the scripts. So there was a time when whenever we used to get a script, we used to sit together, change according to us, get moments. The moments that all of you have really loved are the moments that we've created because they weren't there and people really need to see it. And plus the story was such that we cannot show the love because there was a lot of hatred. But we had to show that love, so it took a lot of efforts. But I think because she's a wonderful actor, it was very easy for me to do it.
Okay, Swami wants to know that from which acting school you have passed because I also want to pursue it.
Well, I have passed out from the Bombay School of Strugglers. It is no acting school. It is the acting school that struggling in Bombay teaches you.
Good one. Okay, Simran wants to know, who's your inspiration in life?
I think everyone gives a very Miss World and Mr. India answer for this.
True.
But to be very honest, I think it's my mother and my father, to be honest. But my mother basically, why? Because the willpower that she has, and not because she's the mother, she cares, she loves, that every mother does. I think it's the willpower that she has, it's the selflessness that she has for people, it's the positivity that she gets. Even if I get 10% of it, and I'm not just saying it for the sake of saying it, I'll be the most successful man tomorrow if I have this 10% of what she has.
Amazing. Okay, Suzanne wants to know one word or line for your bonding with Suyash Rai.
One word, brothers.
Kittu is saying you're looking very hot today.
Oh, thank you so much. I think not making my hair works for me.
Okay, Zulfi wants to know when is your new show coming and when are you planning to make a comeback on television because they're missing.
I'm so happy that you guys are missing, and it's very touching whenever I hear or see something like this. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but I'm sure that whenever it's happening, it'll be equally big, and it'll be equally interesting for you guys to watch me in something new, because I don't think I've repeated a character so far. It has been Grey Shade, it has been a cop, and it has been an army officer who's outright positive. So let's see what comes my way now.
Okay, Meera wants to know who's your best friend in the industry.
My best friend in the industry has to be either Suryash or Gorky sir, of course.
Okay, Yug is saying we really miss Shaleen sir as ACP Arjun. So do you also miss?
Oh, I really do. I'm telling you, Arjun is very, very close to me. It was very difficult for me to come out of the character, to be honest. There were times that when I used to go in a mall and a police man never used to salute me, I used to get offended. The reason is because I was living that character. I was living people saluting me, the junior artist saluting me day in, day out, shooting for 18 hours a day. So every time that I was Shaleen was the only time when I was sleeping.
Okay.
As soon as I wake up, I was Arjun.
Okay.
Before sleeping, I was Arjun, because shooting for 18 hours was very, very tiring thing. So I think I started believing that I'm an ACP. I used to get offended if people do not salute. So I think, yeah, it's like that.
Okay, Simran wants to know your favorite co-star.
Oh, that's the toughest question. You know what happens with actors is they move on to another show, they name that actor, they move on to another. And it's basically why, because they do not have a connect with the previous actor. मेरे साथ problem क्या है, मैं तीनों का बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. So Sana is still as good as friends with me as she ever was. Surbhi is still as close to me as she ever was. Avika, of course, is the latest entry to the family, is because she's my wife and I just adore her.
Yeah.
So I think as of now, best co-star will be Sana and Avika.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
Probably holding the Oscars, but no, not really. To be honest, I just see myself being happy, being successful in whatever I'm doing, and not cribbing about anything that I would have done.
Nice. Okay, Asta wants to know who was your favorite director?
Gorky sir, of course. Like I said, he's my first director, and he's the one who made Arjun. He's the one who wrote Arjun. He's the one who conceptualized it. He's the one who taught me the nitty-gritties of the character, and he's a treat to work with. Yeah. So I think, yeah.
Okay, Nikki wants to know, did you ever use body doubles for any of your show where you had to do fighting scenes?
No, I love doing action and I love doing stunts. Till the time, it's because we used to shoot so many locations, there was body doubles used probably for a wide shot when I was doing something else on the other location. So by the time I reached, they've at least shot something out of it. That is the only time. That also would be, I think, I'm never even allowed, rather never liked, not allowed, I couldn't allow, but never really liked if someone has been my body double even in an acting scene.
Okay.
I do not like to give closes. I like to be involved in that scene, and yeah, but it wasn't really possible for me to be 10 different places, 10 different times, so yeah. But usually it's not happening.
Okay, Tabassum wants to know, any web series are you working for?
Again, me and Gorky sir had a web series. I don't know when it's gonna come, but it will. And no, there were talks going on for a couple of them. I don't know which one will materialize. If it does, then yeah.
Okay, Priya is asking, any best fan you have on Twitter?
Wow. I really don't know how to comment on that. It's because every single time I go on Twitter, so I'm not a person who tweets something a lot. I'm just a person who retweets and likes tweets. So whenever I go, I see so many people who do so many things for me that it's impossible to choose anyone, and it's overwhelming to see so many people love you the same way. It's impossible to choose.
Okay, Sharanya is asking you can you please say Samjhe ya Samjhao, please?
Oh, okay. So it was, and so Samjhe ya Samjhao had a story for it. I'll tell you the story first. So the story is, Samjhe ya Samjhao, when it came to me, first it came in Marathi.
Okay.
Because I was playing around there.
Yeah.
But they said, since it's pan India, let's make it Hindi. So it was Samjhe ... ya Samjhao. So it was technically supposed to be Samjhe ya Samjhao. I don't know what happened to me. I think my eyes or my poor IQ level, something just went wrong with me. And I said, Samjhe ya ek saath hai, Samjhao alag hai. So it came out like Samjhe ya समझा?
हाँ.
So it came in a different way, and it really worked for us.
Okay. Whom do you love the most in your life?
Oh, I think life in itself, because it has everything that I need: a wonderful family, amazing friends, a very very obedient son who walks on 4 legs, and now grandchildren. Yeah.
Okay, Simran wants to know, hosting or acting, what do you love to do?
Oof. Very tough. I think acting is something that I've become really passionate about, but hosting is something that has been very natural to me. It has been something that has been there with me ever since. So I'm a born anchor, but a passionate actor.
Fab. Okay, how do you manage to look so hot every day?
Oh.
They want to know your...
I have no clues. I will not say sleep enough because I do not sleep. I will not say drink a lot of water. I do not do that. Work out every day. No, I do not do that. I just know. If you really think that I'm hot, I think it's nothing to do with me. I just be very casual the way I am. I'll wear a t-shirt, tracks, go out. If I'm looking hot, I think it's my genetics. If I'm not looking hot, do not blame them. It's me.
Okay, Jonty is asking that any message you have for Avika as she's gone for Khatro Ke Khiladi.
Well, I keep talking to her on messages. I keep pumping her. I keep pepping her up and telling her that okay, everything is possible, because this is really not the kind of show that she really would have done ever. But I think she's very headstrong. She's very, very mentally, she's very strong. And that is what I keep telling her, that you just have to believe in the fact that you can do it. And we had a conversation last night at 3, me, my wife, and Avika on video chat.
Oh, nice.
And so there's this theory of mine, which is fear makes a person do what in normal circumstances a person can't.
True.
And you cannot analyze till the time you see it. A person, if you leave a mad dog behind, will run faster than Usain Bolt. In normal circumstances, you won't. If there's fire in the house, a person will jump from the 3rd floor. But otherwise, he won't. So that is what I tell her, that no one lives with snakes and cockroaches in their houses.
Yes.
You'll get that opportunity, you're scared of them. Just make sure that you do not get scared. Push yourself. Once you do that, even you yourself don't know what you're capable of.
So you've been the motivator for her.
I think I've been a motivator for every friend that I have in my life.
Okay, fans want to know, why don't you participate in any reality show, because you're fit enough?
I have no clues why they don't cast me, man. I really don't know.
Next time they'll make sure that they cast you.
I think so.
Okay, any special fan moment that you want to share with your fans?
I can't choose one, to be honest.
Oh.
The first autograph that I signed to a little girl coming on my makeup room was about 4 years and giving me a t-shirt which had her and me printed.
Oh.
From that to my dad's friend, who's been the biggest critic of everyone, including the flower that is growing in his garden, complimenting me. So I think there are so many moments that you cannot just choose one, but I think every fan moment is special. Why? Because you do not, this is what you live for. You know, you can earn money in different professions and much more than what I do. You can become more famous, if not as an actor. People are cricketers and much more famous than actors, but I think what I really live for is the appreciation for the work that I do.
Okay, Kittu has a message. She's saying television is boring without Shaleen sir.
Oof. I hope all the channels know that. And I really come back really soon.
Okay, do you ever take luck along on the set? Nikki wants to know.
No one will want to act then. Everyone wants to play with him. And he's the most decent kid that you'll see. But I cannot take him on the set. If I do, it's 12 hours, only 2 hours we shoot.
Okay, Shaleen Malhotra World, a fan page of yours, is asking your favorite characters of yours: Arjun, Yuvraj, Rajveer, Achal.
Arjun, without a doubt.
Okay, your favorite pastime?
Reading. If I have a lot more time, then traveling. If I have a real less time, then sleeping.
Okay, how many hours do you work out to be fit? Priya wants to know.
I've got a very wayward fitness schedule, yeah. In a month, there will be a month where I work out 30 days a month. Then there will be a month where I work out only 3. So I'm very bad with all this. But I just know that since I've trained in a lot of different forms of fitness, I know how to keep myself fit even when I'm at home. So I will, if I'm not working out for a month, I'll make sure that I'm eating very, very right. If I'm working out for a month, then I'm eating cakes to everything. I just can't maintain balance in life. That's the worst thing I can do.
Okay, Ravisha is saying, did you ever get scared of anything or any time?
When I was a kid, I got scared of bad marks and cupboard and devil in the cupboard. When I woke up, I got when I grew up, I got scared of different things. But I think I really got scared. I'm really scared of failures. To be honest, because I've been in the industry and when I struggled,
Yes.
I've seen so many failures that whenever I do any work now, I put my 100%. Not because I'm really a very good actor or anything. It's just that I do not want to fail. Fear of failure really pushes me.
True. Okay, Asta is saying, any college tips you want to give me, because I'm nervous about my college as it is my first time I will be going to the college.
It's all right. Everyone goes for the first time, and don't worry. It's going to be okay. College is nothing but a school where you can wear your own clothes. And I'm the worst one to give a college tip, by the way. But I just said that enjoy any form of this age that you are in. Just enjoy, because this is what you will miss when you pass that
True.
age. Because when you're in college, I'm telling you, third year probably or second year down the line, you'll really miss your school.
Yes.
After you cross your college,
Yeah.
because you've already missed the school so much, you'll start missing your college. And then you'll miss your 20s, and then 30s, and 40s, and 50s, and it just goes on here.
Okay, Tani wants to know what keeps you motivated in life.
Like I said, the fear of failure, I really fear failure. I do not want to fail. So if fitness has to be there with me because I have to get a part or get a role somewhere or really have to work really hard, then I'll really push myself to the limits. I do not want to fail. That is it. Even if I fail, that's a different thing. But I do not want to fail.
Okay, Yug is saying that do you believe in God because your character Arjun never believed in it?
Yes, I do. I do believe in God, and there's a reason for that. Everyone has people call it universe. Some call it by different names. Gods exist. It's nothing. It's just if you do not take him as a divine power, take him as image, take him as something that you would want to or frustrations out on. You want your wishes. Someone should listen to it, and you do not want your parents to do it because they will get tensed or whatever. So he's something I get everything out in front of, from my excitements to my nervousnesses to my anger to my frustrations, everything. So yeah.
Okay, Renuka wants to know what irritates you the most.
Lies. Any form of lie, whether it's hiding, half truth, anything. If it's nothing but the truth. I always believe you can commit a murder and be truthful about it. At least you'll get the same punishment, but at least you'll have something to save your grace, something to save you inside. Because lies I've always believed, आज नहीं तो कल सामने आता ही आता है, और जब वो बाद में आता है ना तो बहुत बुरी तरह आता है. So always be honest about it. And I do not like non-loyal people. I always believe in loyalty. So you really have to be loyal to anything that you do, in a relation, profession, anything.
Okay, Anushka wants to know what is the latest book that you have read?
Oh, I haven't read since a long time. This has been the longest since I haven't read. It's been about 2-3 months. Yeah, so it's been quite long, yeah.
Now you need to pick a book.
I know. Whenever I feel low, whenever I think I really need to motivation, I pick up Secret.
Okay.
Or The Magic.
Nice.
Or The Power. The 3 parts of it. And I continue reading it. Any chapter I read.
Okay, nice. Meda wants to know any favorite Bollywood actress other than Shushmita Sen.
Oof. No one has been able to reach that level, my friend. No, yeah. When you named her, there's
They
nothing
already
else.
mentioned it that other than Shushmita Sen.
I think it's really good to watch Vidya Balan or Konkona Singh act, and it's really a treat to the eye watching Deepika, and yeah.
Okay, Simran wants to know, do you love junk food?
Who doesn't? It is known to be loved. It's just that you can't have it all day.
Okay, who would you like to work with in your next project?
I know, probably Amitabh Bachchan. This is my favorite actor, so yeah, probably.
Okay, what type of movies do you like? Romantic, horror or fiction?
You will not believe I do not miss a single movie. Whether it's animated also for that matter. You didn't put it, but let me put it. I watch animated films, I watch action films, I watch drama, I watch everything. And if I'm missing on a movie and I know the next tomorrow's Friday and the movie will be changed, I watch 3 movies in the same day. But I go in a hall, watch movies, whatever I can. It gives me a lot more insights. It gives me a lot, and I've learned. And how I learn is nothing, because how I do it is, if I'm seeing supposedly Aamir Khan's walk in Dhoom, there's a simple walk that he's done. When he changes himself, he injects his brother, put him in the car, he's coming like the Aamir, and then he suddenly changes. So that I try to incorporate in one of the scenes. Then Ranbir Kapoor's first scene, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, when he's asked the name, he just stops. That reaction. So all these things just come into me. So when I'm looking at him, I'm looking at the fact, what if I do it? And I'm not going to be as good as them because they've created it. And I do not even try to copy it. But I just try to see the motive behind it. Why did he stop? What made him stop? So all of that really works, and I really enjoy watching movies.
Nice. Okay, would you like to host roadies again if you are offered?
I would love to host roadies, but I think for hosting, there's no one better than Ranvijay Singh Singha. Roadies ever.
Okay, we'll play a fun game with you. This, I guess you must have played earlier.
It's somewhere in my life.
Yeah. So I'll ask you the question. You have to tell me that have you done this in your life or never. Okay. So have you re-gifted a gift that was given to you?
Oh, I have.
Any story that you want to share behind that?
I had 3 Dios when I was in 8th. I didn't want the 4th one, so I gifted it.
Okay, have you ever fooled around with a family member?
Oh, I do that all the time. There is nothing. I think I'm known to be a prankster. So I do that all the time.
Have you ever punched someone?
A lot of times. When you grow up in Delhi, you learn how to be Muhammad Ali.
Okay, have you ever pranked someone who was sleeping on set?
Oh, yeah, of course. I've done that so many times. I put pictures also.
With whom?
Zalak I've done.
Okay.
With Avika also I've done the same thing. I continue doing this shit. I am known for all this.
Okay, have you ever failed a class?
No, that I've never.
Have you ever walked out of a movie because it was bad?
Never.
Have you ever faked illness to stay home?
So many times. I wanted to do it during the shoot also, but I can't, because who am I answerable to myself? I can't even tell mommy I don't want to go.
So this was during school?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever cried in public?
Oh, I have. The last was when I was watching Sanju.
Okay. Okay. Have you ever travelled without a ticket?
Oh, I have. I remember it was my first year in Bombay as a struggler, and I had to travel from Goregaon East to Vashi in the bus. And I live very close to a bus depot.
Okay.
And buses is something that first time I've ever travelled in Bombay. I've never travelled in a bus in Delhi.
Okay.
So, new experience. I didn't have money.
Oh.
And I had to reach Vashi because I had to get money from that person. It was an event that I hosted, and the person was just giving me dates and whatever. So I had to go to Vashi to get my money. So I just travelled, and luckily no one asked. I don't know how it happened, but I made sure that it was a crowded bus.
Okay.
Crowded bus as and that also because when I asked someone, and I asked a cobbler, he said, "Sir, ज़्यादा खाली भी नहीं लेने का, ज़्यादा भरा भी नहीं. भरा रहेगा तो नजर आप पे रहेगा, खाली रहेगा तो आप देखोगे." So that is how I got saved, I guess.
Nice. Okay. Have you ever lied to your parents about where you were going?
Yeah. So many times.
Have you broken a traffic signal? Have you ever dressed as an opposite sex?
No.
In your show? Never. Okay. Have you ever sang in a shower?
Oh, I have. That is the only time when I feel I'm as good as Sonu Nigam.
Okay. Have you ever googled your name because and see what comes up?
Yeah. So many times. Because when I was getting married, I also had a doubt. What if my father-in-law does that? And maybe I don't get married after that. So I had to check what is happening.
Okay. Have you ever driven and drunk?
Oh, yes I have, but you should never.
Okay. Have you ever been on a blind date?
No.
Okay. Lastly, have you ever had a crush on a teacher?
No, I have. Okay, so I'm studied in a boys' convent.
Oh.
The only form of females that we see were teachers.
Teachers.
Of course, we meant to have crush on them, and they were pretty.
Nice. Okay. Ravisha wants to know, why are you so humble and social and simple in real life?
I don't know, I just always believe keep it simple in life. The more you complex it, the more difficult it gets.
True. Simran is asking your favorite episode in Lado.
Oh, I think the episode where Anushka and Yuvraj meet for the first time, because that was very high on music and performances, a lot of heroic entries, plus the episodes in which I have realized my mistake and I apologize. Just 2 episodes before I die. So yeah, last 3 episodes were very, very close to my heart because we've corrected every dialogue, we've written every dialogue, we've written every moment, we've done it all ourselves. So yeah.
Okay, a fan is asking, do you still have fetish for footwears and shoes?
Yes, I do. Unfortunately, I'm wearing chappals today, but yeah, because it's raining in Bombay, I do not like my shoes to get spoiled. I'm that finicky about them. So I still have, yeah.
Okay, how much time do you spend for your workout? See, they really want to know because they really want
I don't know
to
how I look fit to you guys, but I think probably if I go on an average, an hour a day max, not more than that.
Okay, how has been your relationship with your wife?
Oh, it's been wonderful. I know her since I was a kid, I guess, in college. We know each other since then. Then after that, I came to Bombay, we started dating, then we got married. I think it's the best feeling is like because you're marrying a friend who knows everything about you.
True.
So I don't have to hide my past, which was, but yeah. So plus she knows it's outstanding. I think a person that finds the right person should not wait and just get married.
Nice. Okay, what's your favorite destination?
I think Delhi. The reason is because that's my place. Whenever I get time, I go there, and I have my friends there. I have my parents there, and if not, then I think Goa really eases me out every time I go.
Okay, which has been your favorite dialogue?
बहुत सारे हैं. There are so many dialogues that we write ourselves as actors. All of them are very close to me, but there are dialogues like "समझा समझाऊं" was one.
Yes.
Then कहीं कुछ छूट रहा है was Arjun again was two. Then there was another dialogue कि मुझे सिर्फ मैं ही रोक सकता हूँ. All these Arjun heroic dialogues are all Arjun. Then I think Yuvraj, all the dialogues which are emotional and romantic were all nice. So I don't know, I just can't pick and choose one.
Okay, Priya wants to know which is your favorite sports.
My favorite sport is cricket, without a doubt. I think I've played it to a good extent, I've played it to a good level. That is why it's very close to me.
Okay, Payal is saying that you've already raised your bar. So which kind of character now you want to play?
Well, I don't know, yeah. I've always wanted to play a romantic guy once. I haven't really been given an opportunity to do that. Yeah, because Yuvraj was technically supposed to be one.
Yes.
He was romantic right 3 episodes before he died. But yeah, so I think of romantic or rom-com probably is something that I've not explored so far. Rom-com is something that I really want to do.
Okay.
But not a comedy like a slapstick comedy. It's something on the lines of, how can I speak?
And which co-actor do you want?
I think any would do.
Okay.
I think I and Jennifer were also about to do a show, which was Narcos. We shot for the pilot and ultimately never came on air. So I think she's one co-star I haven't worked with, and I really would want to work with her because I think she's absolutely amazing on screen. Because I've worked with her in that small little pilot that we did. Plus I've seen her in Behad.
Yes.
Behad, I became a fan of her, to be honest. I've always known her as a good actor and a very pretty girl, but after Behad, I became a fan of her acting more than anything else.
Okay, Nikki wants to know, have you ever lied to your BV?
यार पता है कोशिश बहुत की है लेकिन पकड़ा जाता हूँ क्योंकि पता चल जाता है ये नहीं कि मैं झूठ बोल रहा इसलिए पकड़ लेती है नहीं पर उसको पता चल जाता है कि किस वजह से झूठ बोल रहा हूँ. So I think it's very difficult to lie to her because she knows, and I do not find the need of the lying because she knows what all I'm going to do.
Okay, which is your current favorite song?
Well, there are 2 or 3 of them, but it's very Punjabi. One is Man Bharya, it's B Prague. Then there is Had Chumme, Amivir, B Prague, and yeah, basically these 2.
Okay, how were you as a child? How was your childhood? Your fans want to know.
Absolutely amazing. I don't think anyone's childhood is bad. And even if it's traumatizing, find the good parts of it. But I think my childhood was really nice. I've been the younger one.
Yeah.
So as it is, you've been pampered.
Yes.
Plus, I was the youngest in my entire clan. So I was the baby of the family. And so everyone had loved me and adored me. I've been a very, very naughty child. A very talkative child. But I've also been someone who every teacher, or everyone who's ever taught me has always said that he's very bright as a student.
Oh, nice.
Which I really didn't understand. Because till the time they said I was bright, I was really bright. When they stopped saying it, it turned all dark for me. But yeah, so yeah.
Okay, Tanmay wants to know what unwind you.
What unwinds me?
Yeah.
I don't know. Really don't know. I think I really never thought of it, to be honest.
A lot of fans have said that your wife is best. We really love her. Please tell her to join social media.
She is on social media, but
Okay.
she's as bad as me. Probably better than me. But it's just that she's very non-responsive. And I don't know how to correct it because it's a disorder that I also have. If I know how to correct it, I know how to correct mine. So I don't know.
Okay, so Ella is asking that if you weren't an actor, what would you be?
Very difficult to think now, but if I wouldn't have been, I think I would have been a marketing or an advertising guy. Or a VJ probably. First off in VJ, which I came to struggle for. Ultimately I became an actor. Then, if not this, then a marketing or an advertising guy because that is what I've done my graduations in. Yeah.
Okay, so a fan is asking any improvement in your cooking skills after marriage?
It's gone bad. It's gone worse now. I used to make omelets and boiled eggs at least earlier. Now I can burn water.
Okay, Nikki is asking any one award that you would give to yourself. What would it
Being the most honest person, professionally and personally.
be? Okay. Your favorite Hollywood actor?
Ooh. Whoa, there are many. There's Al Pacino, there's Robert De Niro. But I, personally, Hugh Jackman. It's because a lot of people have compared me to Wolverine and Logan. It's because of certain looks and certain profiles. I don't know how they managed to do it. I started to believe it. Because there are certain looks of mine, there are certain profiles that really matches Logan's. And I really wish to look like him when I turn 50. But yeah.
Okay, Anushka is asking any inclination towards dancing?
Yeah, just that I don't want to. That's the inclination I have. It's not that I can't dance, it's just that I don't dance. It's because everyone has their likes. I rather do. Dancing is. I don't know, people really like dancing.
Yeah.
And people who like dancing really enjoy it. It's not that I don't like it, it's just that I don't enjoy it that much.
You like singing?
No. Anything related to such arts, I'm very bad with it.
So, like, what is your hobby apart from acting? Anything that you do, or like anything painting types?
No, yeah, I do not have anything like that. I really get into my own zone. I read.
Okay.
I act monologues. I talk to people. I go on the streets, talk to strangers at times. I'm a maniac when it comes to all this. When I'm lost it, when I become a nutcase, it's very difficult to handle me. But I think I travel. The only thing that really unwinds me, for that matter, and that really the one thing that I really would always have loved to do is I travel. I've traveled the whole country, and there are so many places still left in India that I do not want to go abroad till the time I finish them. And it's outstanding how we just change in every few kilometers with our taste, tongue, culture, everything.
Okay, they're asking what keeps you away from social media.
Laziness, probably. Or the lack of knowledge how to handle social media. One of them for sure. I'm lazy, that is for sure. Lack of knowledge also. I don't know what to
Let's give
upload.
the lack of knowledge thing.
Yeah, I don't know what to put. I see people, I really don't know how they do it. They put pictures, they click selfies. I'm sitting with people, I do not even know that I have a camera in my phone. I just sit, we get up, I sit in the car and then I realize, अरे photo तो खींची अब मैं डालूंगा क्या? That's the way it is, to be very honest. I really don't know what to upload. Whenever I get the opportunity, I do it.
Okay, Simran is asking any favorite indoor game as well as outdoor game.
Me and my wife play a lot of Scrabble,
Oh, nice.
a lot of Ludo. So that is my favorite indoor game. Plus PS3, FIFA, and outdoor game is cricket, of course.
Okay, any current favorite TV show that you're watching?
The Kulfi Kumar.
Okay, nice.
I really like that show. I think it's a very well-made show. And again, the same thing. I've always known Mohit Malik is a very good actor. I became a fan of his after the show.
Oh.
And people say that I do not. I've always said that television doesn't have good actors. No. I've always said television actors who are there do not get their dues. I think Mohit Malik is one actor who's done extremely well in this show. And I'll tell you why I say it. There are different parameters everyone has. My parameter is when I'm watching a person play a character and he's done a scene. I would want to do that scene, visualize it in my way. If I do it how I cannot do it better than him. So I know that he's nailed it. And similar was with Behad with Jennifer. I think it's outstanding what they've done.
Amazing. Okay, Ria wants to know your biggest fear and biggest dream.
Biggest fear is failure, like I said.
Yeah.
Biggest dream is to become the most successful, richest, loved and admired actor in the world.
Okay, what's your favorite color
Black.
that you're wearing?
Yeah, I mean, I don't have to think a lot when I go to shop. It's just black.
Okay, on this note, we'll end the session. So
Thank
thank
you.
you so much, Charlene, coming and joining us. So we'll take a final message from you for all the fans who've joined us and have been here to chat with you.
Yes, thank you so much, people, for being there and just waiting for me because I really got late. And not me, it's the traffic.
Yes.
And thank you for loving me. Thank you for always showering your blessings and for always telling me where I go right, where I go wrong. Some of you even scold me. Some of you ask me a lot of things, and it's really overwhelming of all the love that I receive because you know what you people do for me. I couldn't have done it had I been you. That's the fact that I really feel from the heart, and I really must say that I love all of you and just never stop loving me. Always keep the love coming because that is what an actor lives for.
They really want to hear that समझे और समझाओ नहीं
Once
तो
again.
वो मुझे डांटेंगे.
समझे या समझा.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you so much, Charlene, for
Thank you.
joining. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thanks.